Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Michelle the Maker. I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take in your jeans or thrift store jeans. These jeans were $4.98 and these are size 22. And side note, I wear a size 12, so these need to be snatched into place. These jeans will normally cost around $85 or more, but guess who's not going to spend that money today? Me or you. So let's get into this, and I hope you can do this at home, and I hope I make it simple enough for you to understand. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you are going to do is pull your pants all the way up, and you're gonna pin this thing in like this. I really hope this doesn't give me a weird front moment because I don't want that. So I'm going to put this as tight on my waist as possible. I think I have to remove the pockets from these jeans, but I will replace them, I think so. Take some chalk, mark what I am taking off. Okay, so now that I marked my chalk, we're going to put these pants down flat like these, where the point that you put on this thing is in the middle. So you should see your chalk marks, and I am going to pin this down. I actually have to seam rip this Levi sign, then I will restitch it because I actually want it. Oh no! Oh! Well, guess I can't use that. Yay for that. Now you are going to sew this dart down. To take my pockets out because it was not working and I had to take in more than I thought. So you know, this is like my second time taking in a pair of jeans, so we're gonna see how this goes. We're just gonna make it work. I went ahead and reflipped the jeans, so on the outside I took all this in, and you create a large dart here. So now you are going to flip your jeans over to the side like this. Actually, I want this side. This side. Flip them on this side. Then you are going to seam rip your waistband until it is open. Until you're able to flip. Okay, now you're going to take in 2 inches or 1 inch. Actually, I'm going to do 1 inch from the inside. And you're going to sew a dart here. I'm gonna do some chalk. Now you're gonna go ahead and sew this part from here to here actually. Okay, so now you are going to cut this part up. Since I've taken this part in, I think this is about 1 inch that I took in, and I also went ahead and took in my waist. Now I am going to now cut this off since this is over in done with. Hope I'm not cutting the wrong thing. If I am, this will be very awkward. Okay, now you're going to sew the waistband right back on. Okay, I have done that part, and I had to take my pockets off, but actually I'm going to put them back on because it's going to be, you know, a unique pair of jeans for myself to wear. And unfortunately, since these are dark jeans, I have to, you'll see the remaining, or the pocket. I'm trying to make this as even as possible. Now I'm going to sew my pockets back on. It's just going to be a really unique pair of jeans. All right, now this is what we have. I put the pockets back on. I'm not sure how these look on yet, but I hope they're cute. Either way, guess who's still wearing them? Me, because I did this, and this would have been a lot of money going to a laundromat or whatever, or a tailor. So now that I have done all this, I am going to cut this off. You can't go back in and like do like a zigzag stitch, which I really don't care because I'm gonna be the only one wearing these. And that is all. I'm going to show you what these look like. All right, let's get into these jeans, honey. Yes. I don't know how these pockets look yet, but I took in my own jeans. I took in my own jeans. I took in my own jeans. All right. Thank you so much for watching my latest video. Please like and subscribe to Michelle the Maker on YouTube. Share with your friends, comment, and you know, I'll see you guys in the next